Hello everyone, this is Kweku from Next Gen Windows bringing you another Windows 8 app review, or Windows 8.1 app review, should I say. This app is called Keebles, and Keebles is a physics-based car vehicle building game from Burnt Fuse. They are a company that has made quite a few apps, two of which are ModTune and ModTronome. ModTune is a way that you can it helps you tune your instrument, whether that instrument is a violin, viola, guitar, whatever other instruments need tuning. And then Metronome obviously is a metronome application that allows you to stay in tempo. Why do I know that? Because I have taken music classes before. Now, right here is the main menu here. You can choose to click levels or you can choose to click play. I'm going to choose levels to show you guys what levels there are. You can see right here, there are quite a few levels here. I'm not going to count them all because that is way too much. It looks pretty short at first glance. Obviously, I'm only on level 2 and I got level 1 5 stars because who doesn't get level 1 5 stars in games like this? Now we're in level 2, Limbo Rock. Now you can notice the music sounds pretty derpy, but it's good music for a game like this. This game is more, uplifting, and it's just, it's a fun game. I played the first level and it was pretty fun. So now I'm going to show you guys the second level and how do you craft a car. Now, obviously, for starters, this game works on Windows Phone version is coming soon. iOS and Android are also coming soon. So far, it's only on Windows 8.1. So here it is right here that you see in front of me. It works on touchscreens. It works on Windows RT. It works on mouse and keyboard. Obviously, I'm using a mouse. You don't really use the keyboard. You just use the mouse. But here it is. So first thing you'll notice here is right here you have your connectors. These are your beams. They say right here you need to use beams to build almost anything. Connect them to things to make them useful structures. And then also here, these are medium wheels. Medium wheels is your go-to solution for rotary locomotion. So basically, wheels are wheels, and beams help support your wheels so that they don't flop all over the place. So I'm going to attempt to, and then obviously this right here, I didn't really figure out what this was. I'm pretty sure this is to move these things around. So if you want to, manipulate that, or if you want to just move the whole thing. So yeah, this tool right here is to just move one little ball at the end, one little socket, right like that. And then if you want to click the whole thing, you just choose that, and that way you can drag the whole thing. You really don't even need to switch the tool, but it works either way. So right here you can see this one beam. It's pretty stretchy. It's really stretchy. You see this? It's stretching across the entire thing. You can move this around here and then put a beam here and go crazy with your wheel ideas. So you can see right here, too much, it's too thin, it's not going to work. So you got to put them right here. We're going to put it right here. And in fact, let me move this thing back to about the center. I believe, let me see the preview. I believe there's a Keeble medium height, really short, medium. So we can just use a medium height vehicle to do this thing. So yeah, there are 3 Keebles. So, and they're all about, a good height. So yeah, this one seems like it's going to be pretty simple. You can see your resources used, how many there are used. And one thing you'll notice here is that resources used, the more resources you use, I feel as if it gives you more points. And obviously the more points, the more stars you're going to get at the end. That is if you get all the Keebles in the first place. So here we go. We're going to try this out. You get 12 beams on this level. So I'm just going to try to use as many as I can. So, if you're a kid and you just like creating things, if you like science, you just like making things look cool like I do, you'll pretty much enjoy this game really well. It'll tweak your enthusiasm because it'll curb your enthusiasm. That one TV show on HBO that was really bad for kids. It'll curb your enthusiasm and it'll help you out. It's just a fun game to play. So let me see. Is there any other combination I can do with this thing? Is there any way you can even use all 12 of these things? Let me see. Let's try this. Can I put wheels on this even after that? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Oh, that's too bad. Okay. And I feel as if weight goes into effect. So let me just see how many I can put on before weight takes over and makes it really hard for it to go fast. Because, we want it to go fast. That way we get a good time. So let me just do stuff like that. We're getting through all of them. Actually, you know what? I can do this. I can do this. I don't even know how that possibly attached. You can do this. Do that. Go straight across. Go diagonal. There we go. So this has used up all 14 resources. When we hit go, you'll notice this right here. Go. There we go. It kind of activates. It activates on its own friction and force. But you can see downhill, this swing, because it wasn't supported, it's kind of flopping all over the place. And you can tell right here, it's too tall to fit underneath here. So we got to go back to the editing, and we got to get rid of this swing. So the way you get rid of the swing is just simply, oh, no, didn't want to do that. Didn't want to do that. Okay. The way we get rid of the swing is all we're going to do is take this, select it, and we can hit delete. So we click this. We want to delete that one too, and that one too. This whole entire chassis is too tall for one. So what we're going to do, what I'm going to do, you're going to watch. What I'm going to do is this. I don't know what I'm doing. Crap. There you go. Okay, so we're going to do that. Go down there for that. Just making this whole thing a lot smaller. That way it can fit across everything. Let's see, drag that out and put that there. Let's see, I can delete that. Oh, there's no, you can't press the delete key. So we can delete that, do that, and do that. There we go. Now everything is supported, and it's way shorter now. So hopefully this will work. Let's take a look to see if it'll work. It should work. There we go. Oh, it missed that Keeble, and it's still too tall. How could we possibly make this thing small, lower to the ground? Back to the drawing board. This is actually stumping me. Some of you guys are probably looking at me, looking at this video and being like, you do the simplest thing, it's right there. But let's face it, I am challenged when it comes to physics-based games. Can we go down there and down there and down there? As long as that bubble does not touch the ground, I feel like I should be good. Come on, come on. There we go. No. Okay, we're gonna just move that out of the way for a second. Do that, and it's lower now, so it should work now. Let's try that now. So far, it's almost scraping the ground. It almost is. Okay, good. It missed that Keeble. It missed that Keeble. How would you do that? I don't even. No, this is unacceptable. How do you get that one Keeble? Let me see what happens when I do this. Let's see. Maybe this will work. Because as long as one of the joints touches the Keeble, you get the Keeble. Oh, I got stuck. Oh man. How would you do it? Oh, let's see what this is. You can crack the cage if this bubble touches the rock. And you see you're timed right there. So if this bubble touches the rock, you crack the cage, which sucks. Man, this one actually stumped me. I could beat the level. I just won't get, the full stars. And this is only the second level, and I'm failing at it. Let's attempt this. Let me see how high it can go. Okay, try that. As long as it swings, no, it's not gonna work. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't understand. You can go across, but for the sake of this video not being super long, this is essentially Keebles. That's all you do. You pretty much construct the vehicle out of the parts that they give you, and it's got to be able to go through this terrain, a special terrain. Every level has a different terrain. It's got to be able to go through that terrain and capture every single Keeble and take it to safety, within the time limit, of course. So like right here, we have another wheel right here. And then I'm just going to do a basic, this is a giant wheel. I'm just going to do a basic wheel structure to finish this video off. So I'm going to do that, that. Let's see. Maybe this, something like this. See, I played these type of games when I was in like high school and middle school, but I was never super good at them. We had like a smart board, and I would play these kind of games on them. Oh, it got stuck on it. Okay, I see why. This needs to be raised much higher. Yeah, I played these type of games on a smart board back when I was in high school. My teacher was one of the few people that would create he would give us this game to play in our, I guess it was digital electronics class. And on the smart board, everyone would want to play it because he created like a makeshift smart board that he found online, where it was essentially you just use a projector or any screen, whether it's a monitor or a projector screen, and you put a Wii remote on the ceiling side, like high up, and then you use an infrared pen. He created, in fact, an infrared pen, and out of a dry erase marker. And when we used that, you could actually touch the screen, and it would be like a touch screen. Only you had to use a pen, not your finger. So it was a cool thing. But yeah, this is definitely not gonna work. Let me attach that up there. But yeah, so I played games like this when I was in high school. I feel like this is not gonna work. Oh well, we'll see. But yeah, that's pretty much Keebles, and it's a physics based game. Oh, it worked. Nice. It goes over the terrain. There we go. Keeble number 1 did not get captured, unfortunately. Keeble number 2 did. Where is Keeble number? What? Oh, I got both. Okay, so I missed that last one, but let's see the final score. So I got 3 stars out of 5. But yeah, that is Keebles. They do give you more items as you progress through the game. Obviously, I haven't unlocked that many items yet. Let's just see the last one that I'm going to do for this video. Level 4 jump. Maybe it has to do with something about, it's a jump. That'd be cool. Yeah, so they give you something new. So like a small wheel is young and fiery. It's also fast and light. That's what we care about. Sadly, it's not very powerful. Momentum is your friend when you use the small wheel. So you got 2 medium wheels and 2 small wheels. When you put them together, maybe you can make something crazy. We're gonna make this rear wheel drive. So I'm gonna make this like that, and yeah, essentially they give you these different things that you can use to create your vehicles. Let's see if I can get this one right. I feel like this is gonna like flatten. Oh well, we'll find out. Monster wheels, jeez. Alright, this is gonna be an interesting design. This is just gonna be the end of the video. Okay, we gotta support all of the things, all the wheels. So you know what? Let me do. No, we don't want it there. I want it there. And why not put it across? Go, and we'll see how it works. So far, so good. So far, so good. So far, so good. Oh my gosh. Another one good. Okay, good. Here is 3 stars. Perfect way to end the video with 3 stars. Let's see, resources used. Did I use up most of the resources? 16 items? What? Why do you get minus? But yeah, you get the point. This is Keebles, a physics-based vehicle building game that allows you to create a vehicle of your dreams to capture Keebles, or collect Keebles, not capture, collect Keebles, and take them to safety at the end of the level within a time limit. It's a fun game to play if you have a touchscreen. It's even a fun game to play if you have a mouse and keyboard like I do. I do have a Surface Pro, but It's a fun game in general. You guys should definitely check it out. It's free on the Windows Store right now, coming soon on Android, iOS, and Windows Phone. Right now it's only on Windows 8.1. Yeah, check it out. This is Keebles from Burnt Fuse. This is Kweku for Next Gen Windows, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.